Good morning, students. Today we are going to do equivalent version of Euclid's postulates. So for every line L and for every point P not lying on it, there exists a line M passing through P and parallel to L. Again, for every line L and for every point P not lying on it, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. Suppose we are having a line L, point P is there, and from a single point infinitely many lines can pass. So I am having so many lines, but only one line passes through this P will be parallel to this line L. This is equivalent version of Euclid's postulate. Fifth postulate. So we can also say that two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Means two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Only one line will be parallel to any line. This is also called Playfair's axiom. Now exercise 5.2. First question. First question is, explain how would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate and so that it would be easier to understand. So Euclid's fifth postulate, nicely, it is about the existence of parallel lines. So how can we rewrite this in alternative way? So I have written it. Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect even produced indefinitely, or distance between two parallel lines remains same at every point. So this is one line L, this is M, this is PQ, and this is RS. If it is making 90 degree, it is making 90 degree. So PQ and RS will be same, means their distance between them will remain same at every point. So this is alternative way to write Euclid's fifth postulate. Now question number 2. Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. Yes, Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines. How? As you know, this is line L, this is line M. T is intersecting these. So we can have three possibilities. First, 1 plus 2 less than 180 degree. In that case, 3 plus 4 will be more than 180 degree. And where the sum is, so the lines will meet on the right side, because sum of the two interior angles on the same side is less than 180 degree. Therefore lines will meet on right hand side of the transversal. Next, if 1 plus 2 greater than 180 degree, this is case 1, possibility 1, this is case 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 is greater than 180. In that case, 3 plus 4 will be less than 180. So the lines will intersect on left side. Where the sum of two interior angles on the same side is less than 180, lines will intersect on that side. Third is, if 1 plus 2 is 180 degree and 3 plus 4 180 degree, means if 1 plus 2 180 degree, then 3 plus 4 will be 180 degree. So lines will never intersect. So it shows never intersect means lines will be parallel. It shows that the Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel line. It is a special case when angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Then line will never intersect. It means they will be parallel. So it imply the existence of parallel lines.